Is concrete resistant to fire? Well, it's not flammable in and of itself. You could even go with a blowtorch right onto the concrete itself, and it won't catch fire like other substances like wood eventually would. However, it won't survive that unscathed unless you've made a refractory mix or a specialty type of concrete made for high heat applications. Concrete and Portland cement don't actually weather or withstand hot environments very well at all. So concrete is resistant to fire in the sense that it provides a solid barrier between, fire and anything else. But unless that's been designed specifically for the application, it's going to fail and potentially even explode. That's something that can happen if there's moisture trapped within concrete, because concrete is essentially a porous substance, so it can absorb moisture and hold that moisture like a sponge. But now, if suddenly exposed to heat, it's possible that that moisture wants to expand into a gas and escape, but it can't readily. And as a result, you can end up having concrete or regular Portland cement products explode when they're left in proximity or too close to a fire. So not combustible, won't light on fire itself, not exactly safe to have around fire. Often when you see concrete-like things that are used in and around sources of fire, sources of flame, oftentimes they're protected by things like fire bricks. And when they're not, when it is in fact a true concrete or mortar product being used, it's been augmented with things like clay in order to allow it to be fireproof. So concrete can absorb a certain amount of heat from proximity to fire, and it will absorb it, dissipate it, and it's not a problem. But too much of that, and you could come into a problem where you have the moisture trying to escape from the surface of the concrete, and it can't, and it can have like an explosive, destructive reaction to the concrete. And Portland cement, in and of itself, simply can't withstand the heat of fire without failing and starting to crumble. In order to do that, you'd have to make a specialized mix designed for high heat applications. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you're going to learn a lot about how to work with concrete.